When you think about the fastest car in this world, what you get in your mind is Bugatti Veyron or Chiron, which can travel 435 kilometers an hour. But there's a car which can travel 3 times faster than that. That is the Thrust SSC, which is a supersonic car. When they tested this car in America's Nevada desert, it set a world record by traveling 1227 kilometers an hour, which is equal to the speed of sound. The engines used in this are the engines used in the F4 Phantom jets. It measures about 16 meters and 10 tons. It burns about 80 liters of fuel per second. In these 20 years, no other car has broken this record. Peregrine Falcon. Among the three modes, that is water, air, and land, it's the fastest organism. When it's casually soaring in the sky, it travels at a speed of 96 kilometers an hour. But when it's chasing its prey, it travels at a speed of 389 kilometers an hour. Can you believe that? Due to its body's aerodynamical shape, it can travel this fast. When it's carrying something and it slips off of its hand, there's no worries because it can catch its prey before it touches the ground. See that? Oh. MS Dhoni. When you think about the best keeper in this world, what you get in your mind is MS Dhoni. When there was a match between India and Australia in 2012, Dhoni stumped a batsman in 0.09 seconds. When you blink your eyes, it takes about 0.3 seconds, but he did stump in 0.09 seconds. It's the current record for the fastest stumping. Let's see who'll break it. Hope for the best.